A government report that was released on Wednesday exposes the digital divide among students in the country. Now, as per this data, over 2.9 crore school students across states do not have access to digital devices. Now, leading the table with most number of underprivileged students is that of Bihar, that has as many as 1.4 crore students who don't have a digital device. This is followed by Jharkhand, Karnataka, Assam, all having between 30 to 32 lakh underprivileged students. However, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra have not submitted their data of underprivileged school students, which would have taken the national tally to even higher. Ayushman is joining us for more details here. Ayushman, this is extremely important, and obviously this kind of data gets even more highlighted in light of the pandemic and the fact that, education moved completely online. So there's been a lot of issues here as well. But if you can take us through the details of what the study all right, I believe we don't have Ayushman at this point in time, but that's what the study says, and this data says that students without a digital device, Bihar is 1.4 crore, Jharkhand is 32.5 lakh, Karnataka is 31.3 lakh, Assam 31 lakh, and followed by Tamil Nadu, Odisha and Haryana. Well, those are some details here with regard. Remember, this is an extremely important issue because it will sort of increase the gap where disadvantaged students, underprivileged students without access to digital devices face a lot of issues in terms of getting the education, because a lot of the education has been moved online. Now, Ayushman is with us. Ayushman, what can you tell us, if you can take us through the highlights of the study?
Well, this was a survey which was conducted by the states itself, and in that there are states like Maharashtra, UP, West Bengal, which are still not given the data. But the data which has come, that clearly shows that Bihar had about 1.43. But the numbers are. Hello.
Ayushman, if my voice is reaching you, please go ahead.
Yes, Avni, so the data that has been published here in the website from the Education Ministry, it clearly shows that the digital divide in Bihar was very high. It is followed by the states like Karnataka, there is state like Tamil Nadu, but very importantly, the large states like Maharashtra and also West Bengal, they have not given the data, but the clear divide of digital divide during pandemic is evident in the state of Bihar.
Ayushman, in fact, that's extremely important data that's coming to light here with respect to this. Ayushman, is there any indication at all as far as, the states which have not submitted the data, is there indication that they are going to submit? Because obviously that will give a much fuller picture of what exactly are the numbers of the children who fall into this category.
Well, Avni, the exact number, the detailed timeline, rather the date line has not been there as to when the numbers will come and the data will come. But yes, in the area of West Bengal, it has been said that the process is underway. For Maharashtra and West Bengal, it is being said that it is still not yet received. The most crucial aspect, Avni, if you see in terms of Bihar, is the point that the state government only provided 42 mobile phones. They had anticipated that they would be earmarking about 250 schools where 60 phones will be given to each schools. This was the projection, and there were only 42 phones given in the state of Bihar. In Uttar Pradesh, that number is nil, and similar in several big states, the number is nil. So the effort to gap this, to bridge this digital divide was also not much reflected in this report which has come from the Education Ministry. And most important aspect is that this entire survey has been done by the state itself. So the states have acknowledged that there was a digital divide which was present, and during the pandemic, the students suffered. unfortunately, the numbers from the larger states haven't come yet, but the numbers so far which have come, it clearly shows that there are more than 2 points. The quantum that has come, 48% of that clearly belongs to Bihar. 48% of the students of the number that has come have come from the state of Bihar, where the digital divide rate is very alarming, and the students were not having the access to any mobile phone or tablet.
All right, Ayushman, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.